When it comes to life, it is a journey, enjoy the ride. It is a mission to be fulfilled. It is a fragile privilege. The only God's gift to humanity. You can save life by killing the road speed instead of killing a person. We can save life by applying brakes rather than producing grave. Drink and drive is a true enemy of life. You can't drink and drive. You can't drink and become responsible. Never drink and drive. Let's pollute the road by spinning the wheels. Let's prevent to smear the road with blood. Vehicles are the easiest mode of transport, not mobile coffin. Kill your speed. As speed increases, also the danger increases. Masishayele ngecophelela, masishayele ngekuphepha, masishayele sisijabulile, masushayela sesihlile, masuhlala emva kwesteering udlile, masisinzise emphefumulo, masingajahekeli kagoqanyawo kalula, masingakhi emacala ngenxa yenjabulo, musa kushayela sewudlile, ngoba miningi imphefumulo letawulahleka emgwaqweni awulaze lafe lihle kakhulu. Iyashona imphefumulo kagoqanyawo emva kwebelo umnyasashayele asadlile, anze mathuna tanza tindzawo temngcwabo ngendzaba lomnye ushayele asadlile, kanze macala abantu sebavuka etinkantolo ngekuthi lomnye ushayele adlile. Masiphephe, masinciphise tingoti, masijabule kodwa masingajabuleli kushona, masinciphise tindleko temngcwabo. Kanti nani ngibona nibothi ngoba ngitalwa kaShiba Mkhwanazi eTsakasini, kanti ligama bengingishafelas the singer, the poet, Imbongeni Siphila Njalo.